Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to share your Instagram profile link on Facebook Messenger. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up your Instagram application and next tap on your profile icon and there select that three lines icon and tap on that to bring up that menu, and here select QR code, and once that image is appeared, tap here on share button and there scroll for a bit to find Messenger and tap on that. And now you can select whom you want to send your profile a link. You can select one person, you can select more than one person, just like that. And once you done, just tap here on send button to send that message. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.